Hey guys, Jay here, Wood Pigeon Outdoors. Great to see you all again. See, I'm in the shop. The reason why I'm in the shop today is I'm going to be making a tiki bar. Bill's birthday is in a few days. Last year, she didn't do any traveling. Bars are still closed. So for her birthday, we can't go to the bar to celebrate, so bring the bar home. Key thing about this, I spent the last few months gathering up wood. Now, wood prices have also gone stupid crazy. I would manage to be able to get some pallets and other pieces of wood, and everything's going to be refurbished wood. With that said, let's get on to it. Here's the stuff. So average bar is 42 inches. Never built a bar, so I'm not really sure where this video is going to go or not. Do it 42 inches high. I'm going to do about 3 feet across, and I'm going to have it in like a U, the two side parts. But it should be fun. Almost forgot the measuring tape. Now, here's a little tip about measuring tapes. I got another one on my hip. So I just went inside to grab a measuring tape for nothing. Anyways. Another tip, measure twice, cut once. Finished cutting the two front pieces for the front of the bar and got to take a break. Tom is here. If you guys don't know who he is on my Instagram, Tom is a stray. He came by about 2.5 years ago. We take him in, but we already have some pets, so we try to help him out, make his life a little bit better as a stray. We do feed him, as well as he has a little home back there, but we put out a little box and blankets. In winter time, we have a winter shelter. Anyways, there's Tom. So the foreman said to stop and pet him. So I gotta listen to the foreman. Are you still hungry, bud? You want some more food? Come on, I'll give you more food. I totally forgot to hit record, and I'm probably going to end up doing a lot of that in this video. Just finished cutting the board. This is going to be the front of the bar. I don't have a table saw, so I used a jigsaw. Measured out 42 inches. I know I want it 4 feet. The board is 4 feet like this, and we're good for that. So the front part and is all cut up. The two side pieces, I haven't figured out how long I want the side pieces. Good thing it's not a tutorial. Not the most glorious part of woodworking, but I'm just going to do a quick pass over this. So the front main part's done, so I need to do the sides. So you could have 2 people in the front, person on each side, so that's 4 people, plus the bartender, that's 5. So I gotta figure some stuff out. Let's keep going. So I got the front frame done. I'm gonna think about the shelving and stuff inside the bar a little bit later. I track about thinking on the countertop. I really need to start doing the sides. Now for the sides here, I'm thinking of doing 48 inches 2 feet on each side for the sides. Yeah, that sounds about right. I'm gonna do that. And I'm thinking I might not have enough to frame the shelving all today. That could come at a later date. I just want to get the main body part done. Let's get that done. Guys, perfect example of measure twice, cut once, a little bit off. With something like that, can make it go like this. All right, hey, boom boom, there you go. Perfect. So it just came in. Gotta stay hydrated. It is getting warm, especially for, what are we now? Oh, we're June now. Okay. So yeah, getting hydrated and enjoying that. And gotta put some sunscreen on, guys. Don't forget your sunscreen. Don't forget to stay hydrated. It is getting warm. It is dry. There's gonna be like fire bans and stuff coming up. So, oh, hey babe.
Hey.
Nothing. Nothing at all. I'm unsupervised. You can't say anything. Well, I guess the surprise is blown. The curiosity has gotten the better of her, and she came out. She did it in a nice, wifely manner. She went and got some iced coffee and went, I just thought you were working outside. Thought you might want some iced coffee. Meanwhile, the giant cat house is sitting right there. Giant cat house. What do you think of the cat house?
It's good.
She knows what it is. She figured it out. That's what happens. No, PhD, all this other education she has. I'm just a redneck trying to make a tiki bar. You want an umbrella or you want a roof?
What's easier?
But so far, here it is. As you see, got a little prep area here. The countertop's going to go there and along here. I got to stop, figure out if we're going to do a roof or an umbrella. Okay guys, so I stopped filming a lot of it just due to the fact that it's getting late in the day. But yeah, I just want to give you a rundown what I did. I found some bamboo. I wish I had more bamboo so I could do the posts and everything. It's 1x2s. Very simple. So cross piece up there of a 1x3. You're wondering, Jay, what are you going to do for the plywood? It looks like crap. I ended up picking up those bamboo curtains. I gotta trim it so it fits. A roll just over there, trim that and use it for the roof, for the thatching. I still have to do the countertop. I'm not sure what I'm using for the countertop yet. So look at this awesome grain pattern. It's gonna be used for the countertop. Average bar, a countertop is 16 inches. On a tiki bar, it's usually smaller. I'm going to do it between 12 to 14 inch. Should be enough room. So hopefully I could get this going. Probably add a coat of urethane. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Bent the blade, but that's okay. New blade. Okay. Good to go. Let's do this. Whew. Okay, so that was a little bit harder than I thought. Yeah, I still gotta sand it down. Countertops fitted. I'm not doing that corner 45-degree screw that. Just too much work, and plus the piece I had fit all the way across for me to do it anyways. Love the grain on the wood. Just did a rough 60 grit. I'm gonna probably sand it down to 220. So yeah, pretty well done. I'm debating if I should bamboo around first or if I should just completely drill the countertop on. So I think I'm going to cut that to size, and then yeah, go. Oh, who would have thought cutting through a thing of bamboo would be so tiring. No, that's done. I gotta figure out, I'm thinking staples, like a staple gun, as these ropes, and then maybe staple it that way. I gotta figure that out. It's been a long day. Yeah, I still gotta sand the countertop. I still want to bring that to 220. What I'm going to do is just finish this off, pound her out, and show you the finished result. So we're going to the reveal now, and just slowly stand right there, and then we go over here. Keep your eyes closed. There it is, and open your eyes.
Woo! Nice.
So
you did that today?
did that. Yeah, you knew I was doing something, and then I told her it was a cat house. She didn't believe me. She didn't really know what I was doing. She just knew there was a lot of noise. So you wanted a tiki bar,
We've got a tiki bar.
and because of everything, you couldn't really travel last year, and you've been waiting for the patios to open.
Oh yeah.
Right, so
We're gonna have our own patio.
there you go. Right? So, happy
Not bad.
birthday.
Thank you.
So guys, tiki bar out of pallet wood. If you're looking to shop, a lot of pallet wood's gone.
Oh yeah, that's a good gift.
So there you go, 2 gifts, score. And yeah, so here's the tiki bar, complete with roof, and then thinking of calling it the Freaky Tiki.
Just have some like flamingo and palm tree. And...
I still have to do some shelves and stuff like that inside,
Yeah,
right on the other
that's
side, but she's pretty well set for drinks.
Yeah.
So anyways, I'll show you the final product fully, and yeah, we should
Not bad, not bad.
not bad.
Yeah.
Love you too.
Yeah.
All right, until next time guys, stay safe out there. Cheers.